My clients are still expecting epic content. But the problem is I don't have a studio, at least not right now. I went from this studio to this one, which isn't quite a studio yet. We're still a couple months away from opening this one up. And of course my garage is a total mess. And it's a disaster, as you can see. But I'm still needing to output a bunch for my clients right now. Still need to create that juicy footage. So it's a nice warm day here in late December in St. George, Utah. And if there's one thing I'm good at, it's being scrappy. And attempting to still produce quality studio-driven content for the brands I'm working with in our makeshift studio. While that one's under construction, I came across these really nice tiles. These are pretty big and they're like just extras that we had from like our master bathroom. So I think I'm gonna use one of these for a flat lay. I'm gonna go hit some sunlight and then get a little diffuser to give me some perfect lighting. You know, my garage is a little too cluttery right now and it's messy. Doesn't give me quite that lighting that I'm used to in my studio. So I think this will work. I'm gonna see if I can still give some really amazing shots using some tile I found on the side of the house, the sunlight right there in my front yard. And thank goodness we're in St. George here in December because it's t-shirt weather and I'm grateful for this sun. Okay, so the sun keeps moving on me. So I've got it cleaned off. I've got it set. I'm gonna go get a diffuser. Might have to pull in my daughter to hold that for me. And let me see what I can pull off here. I'm actually thinking about shooting this entire thing with a cell phone because they're just gonna be quick shots. So Laura's parents have a greenhouse. They live like 2 minutes away. Had Laura go and pick me some banana leaves. Amazing, Lars. Fresh bouquet.
Yeah.
Of leaves from the greenhouse. And just other greens that I'm gonna use for like backdrops and stuff like that. We find that when you're trying to shoot content that uses a lot of nature and botanicals and organics, it's sometimes really hard to find this kind of vegetation in the middle of winter. But so luckily we do have access to a greenhouse that's pumping out all sorts of cool greens all year long. So I think I'm gonna go top down. I actually have to keep moving my set because I was over there a minute ago and it's all shady now. So I'm in the last little section of my driveway. Again, we're in a mess because we just moved here. So thus the craziness. But I'm in the last little section where it actually has light. So I'm gonna hopefully get a couple juicy shots. And I'm just gonna use a cell phone here because a cell phone can do the job with the right, like, especially with flat lay, we don't need any like depth of field or anything like that. You just need some like juicy, fluid, slow-mo shots with some water, some greens, and a nice piece of tile.